Got a little country. Stars. Part A, 32 counts. Part B, 64 counts. Part C, 16 counts. There will be some different possibilities and options. I will do the easier one and Danny will do the more difficult one. We're going to start with part A. This is our 12 o'clock. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On this moment you can do the hard option. We will explain that later. This is the easier option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuing with the dance. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. End of part A. In the part A, like I said before, in this part where I did after the weave, the step turn with the pedal turns, you can do the original version. Danny will explain it. It's going to consist of a forte, double pirouette, forte, double pirouette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ending with a sweep. That's the original version. Part B, 64 counts. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2. I do the modification. The original part Danny will do. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now everybody does the same again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in this part B, we arrive after the turn and the slide on the weave section where I did the kicks afterwards. So we asked Danny to do the original. So remember, we finished it with a slide to the left. 7, 8. We both going to start with a sailor step. 1 and 2. But he's going to go down on 3, 4, knee spin 5, 6, 7, touch side 8. And both of us are ready to continue with the vaudeville. Part C in total is 16 counts. The first time you do it, you're going to do only the first 8 counts. Part C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8.